everybody, AD Jackson 330 here, and today I'm going to be sharing an unboxing of the villabeauTIFFul kit VB Studio. This is the kit for August, and it's also the villabeauTIFFul anniversary kit. Her anniversary kits are always my top favorites, and this one just takes the cake. So I'm going to show you what's inside the basic kit and the paper pack. Let's get started. So starting this month, instead of receiving your kits packaged in a pouch, you'll be receiving them in this plastic envelope. It has this little wrap closure on the back, and each month we'll have a different print here to match the coordinating theme. So this month has lots of bows and pins and lashes and flowers, all kinds of really cute feminine details on there. Okay, so let's start off with this month's sticky note. I love these little drawers. This was something that Tiffany sneaked kind of early on, and I fell in love with it immediately. I mean, look at the little scene on the top, and you still have plenty of room to write up here. You have tons of pages in there, and anyone who knows me knows that I love like scenes and flat lay, stuff like that, so this kit is right up my alley. Super stunning. And then we have the larger size journaling card, and it is foiled. So this is a little close-up of Tiffany's desk. And for those of you who don't know, this kit is based off of her actual studio that she works out of. So you can see like some of the actual photos from her room mixed with illustrations and quotes and things. I just think that is such an awesome idea, and I love how she brought it to life. And then this is the smaller journaling card. And it has a little foiled quote down here that says, "I love pretty things." And this is the Tiffy pin that was the anniversary gift for last year. Everybody who pre-ordered last year's anniversary kit, this pin is a particular favorite of mine. Such a pretty card. And then we have the pack of smaller journaling cards. You get 5 of those, and they are all foiled. So first up, we have a girl with a plan. I am very busy, and you got your little pin cup up here. And then this one has a lot of different cards. You might recognize this one from an old Target Dollar Spot collection. And then this one is my favorite. It says pretty pins down here, and then has a close-up of all the gorgeous VB pins. And then the last one is this stack of washi tapes. And then the little bows and stripes on these are foiled too. I'm trying to catch it in the light. So pretty. So another thing that I love about the anniversary kits is she always sneaks in some really cool new items. So this is a slim folder. It is a tri-fold. It is foiled. I mean, look at these illustrations on here. So, so pretty. And then you've got a couple little pocket things, not pockets, I'm sorry, slits here that you can add clips and things to. You've got a small pocket and a larger pocket, and the same on this side as well. Oh, this is so cute. And look how adorable the little journaling cards look in here and tucked into the pockets. And another new addition to this month's kit is this really cute pin pocket. So on the front you have the anniversary print with a transparent pocket to slip your VB pins into. And this is the print on the back where it says VB My Pretty Pins. And then let me see if I can capture this on here. You guys, this is thick. Like, this feels like a really nice, sturdy pocket here. I love this. I'm really excited about this one too. This is a keychain that's in collaboration with Grumpy Bear Sticker Co. I love this. So you've got your little lobster clasp thing here, your heart ring, and then a really adorable illustration of a pin cup with some VB pins in there. And there is glitter on the pins. I'm not sure if it's showing up for y'all or not. But how cute is that? I cannot wait to add this to my keychain. Something else new and fun are these little sweet dainty stickers. How adorable are they? They are foiled, and Tiffany showed a sneak of what she did with hers. She took one of these bows and put it on the metal hardware portion of her VB pin, and it looked so, so cute. But I mean, you could use these as regular deco stickers, stick them on your pins. You could probably use these as nail decals. So many ways to use these, but I don't know how I'll ever bring myself to. They're just so tiny and cute. And this month we get 2 washis, a standard and a skinny size, so I will unroll those a bit. And here is the standard size roll. It comes with beautiful foiling throughout and a lot of fun elements on here. We've got pins, pin cups, little bows. I think that's just a shelf decoration. Could be a trinket tray, that little pineapple. Either way, super, super cute. I love this roll. And the skinny size is just as gorgeous. I mean, I love this ink splatter pattern, And then when you add in the foiling too, beautiful. And this month's sticker book, and Tiffany even snuck in an extra sheet, so I'll show that first. I will never, ever, ever be able to use these. I need to definitely hit up whenever she offers the kit extras and get a ton of these so I can actually use them. Like, how beautiful are these stickers? I love them. You've got the Girl Boss pin here, VB Studio pin here, planner, some washi tapes. Oh, so, so cute. And then for the sticker book itself, you've got your kit date here and kit title here for easy organizing. And this is another one that she sneaked that I just fell in love with instantly. Because, I mean, come on, you've got the shelves, the desk, the foil, all of it's so gorgeous. So let's get a close-up of those full boxes. And this is the door that she has in her office. Isn't that cute? Okay, then we have our next page with the circle icons. Some banners, bill labels, and then we've got this sheet of full boxes, clipboards, and a couple of quarter boxes down here, and then a full page of half boxes. I love this sheet. And then we've got some headers and labels. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we've got like flat lays, we've got shelves and pin cups and planner stacks. And these look like little art prints. Oh my goodness. Let's get real close on these. Maybe not that close. There we go. So beautiful. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna need a backup of this sticker book for sure. Okay, then we have our date covers, some labels, arrows, and tabs at the bottom. Ooh, look how cute this one is. So we've got the little banners, flags, some checklists, and then the Hobonichi kit in the back. This can also be used for monthlies, no matter what size planner you use. I think these are perfect to fit in the tiny little boxes. So even if you're not a Hobonichi user, you can still find a way to utilize those in your planner. And then of course on the back you get an overview of all of the sheets that are included. And I know you're all excited just like me to see this beautiful kit pin. It's got the most gorgeous pink barrels, black hardware and text, and then these are the crystals. Let's see if it's focusing. And this is the VB Studio pin. All of the kit pins are named after the kit that it comes in. This is just gorgeous. And surprise, we have another pin in this month's kit. I think I accidentally gave it away when I was sharing the stickers, sorry. But Tiffany has said this is a special gift just for those who have pre-ordered the monthly anniversary kit, and it will not be sold separately, so I hope you got your hands on the pre-order. It has the most stunning charcoal matte barrels, rose gold hardware, and just really gorgeous crystals in there. This is so pretty. I am so happy to have these pins, like pink and gray and black. This is totally me. I love all of this. And next I'll be sharing the paper pack add-on. So this is the same paper pack. You still get the 4 sheets of 8.5 by 11 inch double-sided cardstock, but it's folded now, which helps with the shipping, the packaging, all of that. I know some people like them bigger to cut down for the covers, the larger size covers, but this to me is so perfect for trimming down to whatever size you need for dashboards or dividers, because it's already got such a nice crisp fold here. So this is the pattern for the first one, outside and inside. And the second one, this is the inside and the outside. Oh, I love this one. This is like an amazing print. I really like that. And this is the third one. Some more paint splatters on here. And the last one. These are all so pretty. So you've got these 4 in the regular cardstock, and then you also get 2 sheets of specialty paper. This month it's 2 vellums. So we have this first print. Kind of reminds me of leopard print, but it's like in a brushstroke pattern. And then you've got this paper pack add-on. Whenever you go to pre-order your kits, it'll have 2 options, either the basic kit by itself or the basic kit plus the paper. The paper add-on is great if you like to do paper crafts, add your own dashboards, dividers, covers, things like that. It works really great for that. And every month that you pre-order a kit, you also get a ton of digitals. So you can print like all of the papers yourself. You can make your own dashboards, design your own things. These are a few that I made. And I love these because you can just make everything coordinate together with your kit, like if you want to set up multiple planners or things like that. And I did film a tutorial on how I made all of these cards. If you want to check it out, I will link that at the end screen. It's really fun and easy, super quick to do, and I think it's just a great way to personalize your kit even more. These are the digitals that get emailed to you for every kit that you pre-order, so you have lots of clip art and paper to work with. And that does it for this unboxing. The kit was jam-packed with so many beautiful items, and like I said, the anniversary kits are always my favorite each year. If there are any kit extras, Tiffany will send out an email once all of the pre-ordered kits are shipped, so make sure that you're signed up for the newsletter. Check out the description below for a link to my Instagram, the Villa Beautiful shop and Facebook group, which will be having a lot of fun things going on for the anniversary weekend, and I'll link the page that has more info on the VB kits. If you have any other questions, drop those in the comments below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.